Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we will see how to use the Trivy scanner to run the vulnerability scan in our container images. So basically, we have to install this Trivy scanner before we run this, pipeline. So this is the steps provided based on your operating system that you are using. You can follow these steps we have covered in our previous video. So for I'm using the Ubuntu. So here you can run Trivy. So 0.65.0. This is the Trivy version I'm using where I'll be running this scanner. So you can also go through the documentation for the usage of Trivy scanner. So here there are different target where you can run this Trivy scanner. So I'll be using the container image that we will, build in the previous stage. And once the Docker images are built, then we will be running the Trivy scanner. And the Trivy scan the files inside the container images for vulnerabilities and misconfiguration, secrets, and licenses. So this is the Trivy image command that we can use to run the vulnerabilities in our image. So Trivy image and then the image name, and this is for the misconfigurations, and this is for the secret. So you can go through this documentation to get more information. And also to get this report, you can look for the options available for the reporting. So these are the report format which Trivy supports: table, JSON, Zarif template, and you can use one of the template method that you wanted to get the report. So here also there is an option to convert the reporting from JSON to HTML or XML. So you can go to this option and you can use this option to convert from JSON to HTML and JSON to XML as well. And also you can go to the default template, and if Trivy is installed using RPM, then default template can be found. So to find the default template available, you can go here and check in this location. So here, as you can see, these are the templates available. So here HTML and JUnit also available. So we will make use of this JUnit and HTML report to get the Trivy scan reports. So now let us go to the Jenkins pipeline, and let us set up the stage for running the Trivy scanner. So this is the VS Code. So here I have just already set up this stage, Trivy vulnerability scan. So let me go and explain this stage. So here we are using Trivy image. This is a command to run the scan on the container image, and this is the image that we are using. So here first we are only targeting the low and medium level severity, and if there is low and medium, then it will exit code would be 0. So that means it will not report any failures. And here we are using the format JSON, and this is the output file. It will be stored in the JSON format. And next we are also running the scan only for the high and critical level of severity. And if there are any high and critical, then the stage will exit with error code 1, and this will be saved in the Trivy image critical results.json report. And also next we will be using the post section. This will be within this stage. And here we are using the Trivy convert option. And here basically we are converting the JSON into the HTML report for the low and medium results. And similarly for critical also we are converting into HTML. And then we are using the JSON to convert into XML format. And here we are using this JUnit template. And here it will be the HTML template we are using to convert this from JSON to HTML. And this is for the Trivy image critical results.json, and this we are converting into XML. Okay, so once we have done this post section within this Trivy vulnerability scan, we are also using the post section in the global section. So here we are using this JUnit command to save this report. This is for the low medium results.xml, and this is for the critical results. And we are also using the publish HTML to publish this HTML report. And similarly for critical results, we are using this line. And there is also low and medium vulnerabilities. Okay, so now I'm going to run this pipeline. Click on build now. Okay, build 35 is started using the blue ocean. So let's wait for this stages to be completed. Okay, now it is building the Docker image. So this will be using this commit hash. Okay, so building Docker image is success, and next it is running the Trivy vulnerability scan on the Docker image that it has previously built. And now you can see this stage is reported as failed. Okay, now let us see the report here. So this is the stage where it is running the Trivy image scan, and here it is publishing the HTML reports, and this is the archiving JUnit formatted result. So these are all looks fine. So let me go to the test and see how many tests are reported as failed. So there are 53 tests it is reported, and all of them are low and medium level of severity. There is no critical severity failure here. And here we can go to the workspace, and here also we can see there are 6 JSON and HTML XML reports generated. So you can open this report also, and here you can see the level of severity it is reported here. So these are the high level severity. Okay, and this is the critical. So there is no critical severity, and this is for the medium level of so here we can see the low and medium level severity vulnerabilities are reported, and these are the XML report. Okay, now let us update this stages. So here we are failing this stage if there are any high-end critical report. So here we will make this low, medium, and high. If there are only any critical level of severity, then we can fail this build. Otherwise, we can make this build success. So I'm going to put high here and remove the high from here, and let me push the changes. Okay, let me first pull the changes. Git pull. Okay, let me check the Jenkins file. Okay, so here low, medium, high, we are not failing it, and only if there are any critical level severity, then we will fail the build. So now let me execute this again. Click on build now. Okay, 36 build number triggered. Let's wait for this to be completed. Okay, so now as you can see, the Trivy vulnerability scan stage set to green, and as we don't see any failure here, and if you go to the test, and here also there is no critical level of severity reported, so we are marking the stage as green. Previously there was we are set to fail this if there were any high level of severity. So now we have made the changes. If there are low, medium, high level severity, then it will still show as a green. And this will only fail if there are any critical level of severity reported. Okay, you can also review the report here, which is the artifact for HTML and XML. So here these reports for critical and low, medium, high. Okay, so that's all in this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.